In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Clubhouse app. You'll learn how to join a room, how to start your own room, and how to follow others. Use the clickable sections below to skip to the different parts. Clubhouse is available by invitation only, so you'll need someone to invite you before you can start using it. Click on the link in your invite message and install the app. Follow the prompts on screen to set up your account. Choose a username for your profile, and follow some accounts you're interested in to get started. In the Clubhouse hallway, you'll see all the rooms available to join based on who you're following. To join a room, tap on the event and you'll immediately be able to start listening. At the top you'll see the speakers, and below you'll see the listeners. If you want to contribute to the conversation and start speaking, you'll need to ask permission from the host by raising your hand. Do this by tapping here. You can leave a room at any time by tapping here. You can either start a room instantly or plan an upcoming event. To start a room, tap on the green Start a Room icon at the bottom. You'll be given 3 options to choose from. Tap Open for a public room. To start a room with only people you follow, choose Social, or tap Closed if you want to start a room with only specific people. Give your room a descriptive heading by tapping Add a Topic here. Choose Let's Go to go live, or choose People to invite who you want to your private room. If people want to contribute to your conversation, they'll raise their hand. View all the listeners who've raised their hand by tapping here, and then you can invite them to speak. To end the event, tap on the 3 dots here, and then End Room. You can instantly start a room with one person to have a private conversation. To do this, tap on the dotted square icon at the bottom right of your screen. Find the contact you want, and then tap +room to start. To schedule a room in advance, tap on the calendar icon at the top of your screen here. Now tap on the new event icon. A pop-up will appear where you can fill in details about your event. Type in the name of your room here. To add a co-host or invite guests, tap here and then find the people you want to add. Add them by tapping on their name. Set the time and date of your room here. You can add more details about your discussion here. Tap on Publish to complete. To edit your profile, click on your profile photo here. You'll find your Clubhouse handle here. Underneath your username, you can see how many followers you have and how many accounts you're following here. Tap Add a Bio to add a description to your profile. And then tap Done. Add Twitter and Instagram handles to your profile here. Follow someone to stay up to date on all their rooms. From the top left, click on the follow icon here. Type in a name to search for someone and scroll to find their account. Tap Follow. All their rooms will now be added to your Clubhouse hallway automatically.